Last year, UofTMDA moved toward a more integrated design process with the goal of improving our AUV creation. In doing so, we changed our development framework, software architecture, and organizational foundation. This resulted in SubZero, our first new design in several years. This year, with our new framework in place, we've accelerated our AUV production. We've designed our hull quicker, manufactured our PCBs cheaper, and programmed our AI faster. These extra resources have allowed us to expand our presence online and in the community. This has been one of our strongest years to date, and our new creation is ready for RoboSub 2016. We at UofTMDA present Tempest. In Tempest, the mechanical team has been able to create a more polished and modular submarine. Using waterjet technology and 6061 T6 aluminum to manufacture our frame, we created a rigid structure that can easily support various components. We also collaborated with the Gerstein Science Information Centre in order to develop 3D printed thruster mounts. This was vital to our success as it allowed us to increase our prototyping iterations and expand our thruster capacity to 8. These extra thrusters increase Tempest stability when submerging or surfacing. In order to continue the previous year's growth sustainably, the electrical team also designed for modularity. We replaced the entire electrical setup from a main stack connector to individual wires, allowing us to distribute Tempest electronics more efficiently. We also iterated on our motor boards, adding thermal vias to safely dissipate heat and larger copper traces to better conduct current. Last year's architecture redesign allowed the software team to work on several labor-intensive projects concurrently. One project was to upgrade our FPGA to the faster VE0 Nano SoC, enabling Tempest to acquire sensory information at a higher frequency. Another project was the creation of a new competition emulator. Developed using the Airlift engine, we've implemented a more realistic simulation and removed the previous program's time sinks. This has greatly reduced the iteration time for perfecting our task and vision algorithms. The PR team's goal this year was to expand UofTMDA's community and online presence. To do so, we participated in several university-sponsored events where we promoted robotics to the local community. In addition, we produced multiple YouTube films to help prospective sponsors and members understand UofTMDA and RoboSub. David Allen Coe once said, "It's not the beauty of a building you should look at, as it's the foundation's construction that will stand the test of time." At UofTMDA, we are fortunate enough to have both, a well-constructed foundation and a beautiful building. We look forward to causing a storm at RoboSub 2016.